Midterm exam, question number 20 of competition level. A puzzle starts with 9 numbers placed in a grid as shown. On each move, you are allowed to swap any 2 numbers. The aim is to arrange for the total of numbers in each row to be a multiple of 3. What is the smallest number of moves needed? So guys, basically, if you want to get a multiple of 3, you have to divide each number by 3 and see what's the remainder of that. 18 divided by 3, the remainder is 0. 7 divided by 3, the remainder is 1. 24 divided by 3, the remainder is 0. And then 33 divided by 3, the remainder is 0. 11 divided by 3, the remainder will be a 2. 8 divided by 3, remainder is also 2. And let's move on to the last row. 20 divided by 3, the remainder is 2. 4 divided by 3, remainder is 1. 19 divided by 3, remainder is 1. And now we have this kind of table. So guys, you have to do some swap here so that each row you got a multiple of 3. So the first way that I'm doing is that we can move this 0 and the 2. And that way, this will be 2, this will be 0. And for this row, you will see that 6, which is multiple of 3. But for the last row, it's still not multiple of 3, and the first row is not. So we can swap the order of these two now. Right? So if you change these two, that will be a 0, and this will be a 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1, you got a 3. And that is multiple of 3. And the first row, you got 0. It's also multiple of 3. Because 0 times by 3, you got 0. Okay, so let's see what we have here. We just swap this first. So this one will be a 20, this one will be 33. And then you swap that two again. You can check it. You swap this two. So basically, it's not swap 7 and 20, swap 7 and 33. So that means this number equals to, change to 7. And the middle number in the first row changed into a 33. Okay. That's it. And now let's see what we have. 33 is a multiple of 3. 18 is a multiple of 3. 24 is a multiple of 3. That means if you add them together, it must be a multiple of 3. And now as for the second row, 20 plus 11 equals to 31 plus 8 equals to 39. It is a multiple of 3. And the last row, you just change that 20 into a 7, right? 7 plus 4, you got 11. Plus 19, you got 30. And that is a multiple of 3. And now let's see, how many swaps do we have here? We just have only 2 swaps, right? So the answer will be the second one. You choose B.